Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have my Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club subscription to share with you all today that I have gotten for the month of June 2026. They have 6 different clubs in the Beads of the Month Club. They have the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I have this time. They have the 2-hole Beads of the Month Club, the Miyuki 11 Seed Beads, the Delica Beads, the Fire Polish Beads, and the Gemstone Beads of the Month Club. And then they have the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get. In that club, they rotate you through each club 1 month at a time. They also have 2 different sizes in their clubs. They have the single club and the double club. I get the double club. It's the same as the single club, but you get twice as many beads in the double club. They also have their Findings Companion Pack and their Crystals Companion Pack that I have here. They're both add-ons that you can get in addition to your club subscription for an additional cost, but there wouldn't be any additional cost to ship because it would be shipped with your club subscription. If you're an international customer, you'd need to contact their customer service about the cost of shipping to your particular country. The crystals in the Crystals Companion Pack, sometimes they're Swarovski. It looks like one of mine is this time, but if they're not Swarovski, they're extremely high quality Austrian crystals. And the findings in the Findings Companion Pack are just really beautiful, high quality and unique findings. And they're in a different finish each month. It looks like mine is antique copper this time. So it's a great way to build up your stash of high quality findings. You'll also get a code on the bottom left of your invoice to enter into your web browser to get access to their free patterns page. It's 3 free patterns each month, and it's in PDF form, so you can download it and save it to your computer. Of course, you could print it out if you'd rather do that. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa10, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to their website where you can sign up for any of their clubs that you might be interested in. The code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you subscribe to. And if you decide to subscribe to the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. So first I'm going to open my crystals here, these beautiful crystals. Those are just really pretty even through the plastic, so hold on, I'll get them out and put them in some little dishes and I'll be back. Okay, I have my crystals out here now, and first I have a 12mm sapphire princess cut pendant. It's just really beautiful. Such a beautiful color of blue. And then next I have 4 8mm Rosaline AB cube beads. Those are really beautiful. These are Swarovski. It's really beautiful. And then there are 16 aquamarine 4mm bicone beads. They're really beautiful. That's everything in my Crystals Companion Pack. Next I'm going to open up my Findings. Antique copper. Looks like most of them are tiara cast. It's really neat. It's going to be really beautiful. So hold on, I'll sort these out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my findings sorted out now. First I have a 2-loop heart bezel link. And this is tiara cast. And that's the inside. And that's the outside, I guess you could do something with the inside there, maybe some resin or something. I don't know. I've never done resin. Or not. You could just leave it like it is. It's really pretty. Y'all can hear that. It sounds like the neighbors outside mowing the yard. And then next I have a butterfly toggle clasp. Got little butterflies on it. Same on both sides. Got a little butterfly on both sides. That's so pretty. And then next is a small heart button. It's really pretty. Little shank button. And then next is a key charm. It's really pretty. And then next are 10 4x3mm 20 gauge oval jump rings. It's really nice. And then next is a small round toggle clasp. It's a little tiny toggle clasp. And then last in my findings is a pair of fishhook with leaf or flower ear wires. Fishhook ear wires. Looks like mine has a leaf on it. It's really neat, really pretty. It's got the little backs to go with them there. And that's everything in my findings companion pack. So now I'm going to open my beads, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club. So peek. So hold on, I'll get these all sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my beads out now, and first I have some copper, gold, bronze, elegant star beads. And there are 20 of these. Like again, I get the double club, so if you get the single club, you probably would get 10. These are really pretty. Those are really, really neat. And then next are some 13 grams of alabaster matte AB Arcos Parpuca beads. And I found one here that got out of this little dish. Alabaster matte AB Arcos Parpuca beads. These are really cool. They've got 3 holes. Really fun shape to put together with some other beads. And then next are 10 red travertine table cut coin beads. Those are really, really pretty. And then next are 30 crystal matte petal beads. These are really neat. Some little petals. Really nice. And then next are 40 frosted crystal AB short dagger beads. Those are really pretty. They look like they glow. They're really, really pretty. And then next are 30 milky white AB gumdrop beads. These are really cool. They look like little gumdrops. They're really pretty. And then next are 14 grams. It says red Valiant matte Rizzo beads. I don't know if Valiant is short for something. But these are just really pretty. Little bitty. They're really pretty. And then last are 60 pieces of red travertine pellet beads. They got the hole through there like that. Those are really pretty. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in my Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club subscription this time. The Hot and Trendy beads. And my Findings and Crystals companion packs. These are some really, really beautiful beads. They're always just beautiful. Just really high quality beads and findings. Like I said, if you are not subscribed to any of the Beads of the Month clubs and you decide you might want to be, that coupon code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you decide to sign up for. And if you sign up for the Rotating Beads of the Month club, which is the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.